It's MD Shagul Islam from Brahmanbaria. I have completed my SSC from Darun Najat Siddiqia Kamil Madrasa, and I came here for learning English because in this era the English language is turned into a global language. If we want to spread the Islam and spread our religion, then we must be learn English. And if we want to communicate with another religional person, then English is must needed, and English is essential for us. For this, I came here, and there is a special subject which is the environment of English fantasy. It's more beautiful than any other institution. For this, I came here and I want to learn English in this environment. And the teacher of this English fantasy, they're very friendly with us and they're very incredible. For this, I came here, and thank you. May Allah help me. Assalamu alaikum.